Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the first episode of Fix It, a channel where we will take on some DIY projects in and around my house. I recently bought a new home and I absolutely fell in love with the art of DIY. So on this channel, we will be taking on some small projects to big projects. I would also like you guys to send me some comments down below to tell me what you guys would like to do and what you guys like to do, and then we can put that to the test and actually do it and show the people exactly what tips and tricks you use to do things yourself. Due to COVID-19, we're not allowed to buy alcohol in my country under the current lockdown, so I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this non-alcoholic Heineken right now. Make sure to click the notification bell as well as the subscribe button. My first episode will drop this Sunday, where we will remove some rust from old bar stools. Have a great evening, everybody.